He's very, very still.
He doesn't want to look at the camera.
Don't look at the camera. Don't hurt
Hello,
the
handsome little baby. I'm going to take a picture because you're posing.
There's no tail wagging here.
Aww,
Grip that thumb like your life depends on it.
Oh, poor little baby.
Hug the thumb. Hug that thumb.
So this sweet little boy, he is number 654 for his microchip.
I'm very nervous. We can wag his tail.
He has more color than his brother. He's very nice sandy color. Beautiful little boy. Okay, sweetie pie, 654.
No tail wagging.
Hey, baby, let's turn him around and see his little ears. Oh, he's a nice, handsome boy, though.
Nice ears.
Oh, he's got an all colored in nose and everything. You are very handsome, little man. You're posing so I can get pictures. All the pictures online are going to be you, aren't they?
Very still.
Very cute,
I'm not
baby.
even moving a hair. Just
very
my breathing.
Sweet little baby.
Just my breathing, and then I can lower it down. The tail wag position. Okay.
It's amazing how different they can be.
Oh, we're getting them almost down to tail wag position. Get 3 wags. Oh, come on. You can do it. You can do it. There's the wags.
Oh.
Wagging starting. He said, who says there's no wagging here? There's some wagging. I just need to be at the right level.
Oh, isn't that adorable? Oh, it's so cute.
I'm just the nicest puppy.
So he's number 654, and he does have a waggly little tail.
Says, don't forget it, guys. It's I give kisses. I'm giving kisses to the coyote, huh?
Cute boy.
Yeah.